Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how I do a Maggie cube inspired nail art. I've already drafted out the logo and design I would want to draw. I made use of a 2B pencil to do this. You can use any pencil you like, it doesn't matter. Well, I did this majorly because I thought it would be easier to draw or sort of like trace the lines, and then generally I have very little to clean up on. And then for this drawings I made use of my liner brush and gel and a paint brush, sorry, and then I also made use of acetone and gel brush to clean up on my lines. Enjoy the rest of the video and I'll come back to you towards the end. I'm done drawing and this set came out really well, you guys. I think I forgot to mention that after you're drawing, if you made use of the pencil, you should wipe off your drawings with acetone or alcohol just to clean up the pencil markings that remaining. That's all for today, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. The set turned out to be so pretty. I love the yellow, the red, the white, the blue. I love all the colors together. Let me know what you think. Leave a comment down below and I'll see you in my next video.